Hello, my darling. Today we're going to make a kitschy Valentine garland using old romance novels. I just love the muted colors and the tacky images on these books. Because I don't want to cut these books up, I'm just going to go ahead and use my color copier to copy the front covers onto cardstock. You don't have to use books for this project. You could use any images that you love. Once the covers are color copied onto cardstock, I'm going to go ahead and cut them all out. Now that the images are all cut out, I'm going to use my scrapbook paper and my cutter to create little flags to mount the images on. The size of my flags are about 9¼ inches by 5¼ inches. Once my rectangle is cut out, I'm going to create a little V shape in the bottom just to give it a little more flair and so it looks more like a flag. And then I'm going to do that for all the rest of my covers. Next, I'm going to match the flags with the different covers, making sure they're all color coordinated. Using a glue stick, I attach the covers to the flags. And I don't want to be too precise here, so I'm just eyeballing it and putting the cover generally in the center of my flag. And I'm using an old book to flatten the image and make sure the glue sticks. And now I'm doing all the rest of the flags. And now I just leave them under the book for a few minutes just so they're nice and flat. Before threading my string through my flags, I'm actually going to use a piece of tape at the top of the back of each flag just to give it a little more reinforcement. This way the paper won't rip when I'm putting the string through. I'm putting some tape on the end of my string so it's easier to thread through the paper. And now I'm just going to cut 2 vertical slits on the top of each flag so that I can thread my string through. Finally, we just add the string to all our flags and we've got our garland finished. Now that the garland's all finished, it looks super cute. Let me know in the comments below if you decorate for Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.